Ka Sarkar Jilla kalapulot hado shispa khatsan ponchipoklo tingka banyakun persya ni banyada na kajingpang COVID-19. Ya kani layathu do menteri rangba ka jilla ukan rat ke sangma hapo yung narabar hakasni palai jongga arphoi tere ujumang 8,000 arpho. Kani ka pisa ka day na kabenda katanat ka kot kya ka balapulot sapsan pon prapsan klo tingka. Nangta san repukndai pon arpsau klo tingka lapulot na kabenda ka jingsiu syakinong bella ki samla puli ban longtre badon Sabah Jilla.
Sir, the COVID-19 pandemic has caused unprecedented economic and social disruption, impacting health, livelihood, and overall well-being of individuals and communities across the globe. The Government of India and the state government have taken a number of steps towards containing the spread of COVID-19 since mid-March. The entire state machinery has been working tirelessly over the last 2 months to deal with the various challenges related to the pandemic. The government has put in place a three-pronged strategy to deal with the COVID-19 pandemic. We are prioritizing the improvement of health infrastructure, increasing the use of technology, and building the capacity of communities to deal with the situation. Strengthening the health infrastructure is the core first priority of our strategy. To ensure this, a number of investments were made in the health sector over the last 2 months. Post the outbreak of the global pandemic, an amount of 57.98 crores has been sanctioned by the state government to the Health and Family Welfare Department. Of this, 45.85 crore is from the state's own resources and 12.13 crore is central resources. This investment has helped improve the health infrastructure significantly. The lockdown imposed to contain COVID-19 has adversely affected the livelihood, food security, and income of the various sections of the society, including construction workers, both registered and unregistered, farmers, entrepreneurs, citizens of the state, stranded outside the state, and the rural and urban poor. In addition to implementing the various relief measures of the Government of India under the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana, the state government, through its own resources, has taken up several relief measures. An amount of 3,000 rupees was credited to the bank accounts of 24,115 numbers of registered building and construction workers. Further, an amount of 2,100 rupees is being credited to the bank accounts of 1,81,491 unregistered workers under the Chief Minister's Relief Against Wage Loss Scheme. The government is spending rupees 38.11 crore on this measure. To provide relief to stranded citizens, an amount of rupees 3,000 has been credited to the bank accounts of 9,224 individuals, costing 2.77 crores. Additionally, provision kits providing 2 weeks ration and other essentials to individuals and households under quarantine have been supplied to about 10,000 households in the state, costing approximately 2 crores. An amount of 26.38 crores has been provided to the Food and Civil Supplies Department for procurement and supply of 58,639 quintals of food grains under the open market sale scheme. Therefore, a total of 69.24 crores is being spent from the state resources under various relief measures related to COVID-19. Combined with the 45.85 crores spent on health expenditure, the total expenditure made by the state due to COVID-19 comes to 115.10 crore. The COVID-19 pandemic and the imposition of lockdown to contain its spread has adversely affected the economy of the country as a whole, with a corresponding impact on the revenue collection of both the central government and the state government.